Hey everybody, I'm really excited to share with you my up-and-coming video series, the Semi-Complete Guide to PyQt6 Widgets and Layouts. As you can see from my little PyQt6 widget here, we can do a lot of customization. Now, in my last tutorial series I've been going through, I spent a lot of time digging around, going from website to website, Stack Overflow to PythonGUIs.com to the Qt, all kinds of things. I was trying to help out my students, and I began clearly realizing that there is a lot of information out there, but all in different areas. So I wanted to bring it all together in a video series that will hit all the main layouts, all the main widgets, how to customize your widgets. And with this new series coming up, I also have a companion GitHub repository over here, the Guide to PyQt6. In it, I will have a group of various layouts and widgets with starter code that you can look at and get started on. I will show you how this works, how to customize and get the widgets to do things, how to program it. And there's also going to be a set of solutions for all the problems. And each video will end with a challenge to give you some way that you can take the concept and build off of it and make something new. Stay tuned for that series, or just check out my GitHub repository. I will be building that as I go on my video series. So looking forward to that, and I will hopefully see you. Well, I won't see you, but you can see me on YouTube near you.